This video we will see the product review of Redmi Note 14 4G smartphone. The Redmi Note 14 4G is a budget-friendly smartphone from Xiaomi, which offers a balance of performance, camera quality, and battery life. It is available in both 4G and 5G variants. In this video, we will see 4G variant. This smartphone comes with 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with full HD plus resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 1800 nits peak brightness. Processor is MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. This smartphone comes with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of storage and expandable up to 1 TB via micro SD card. Rear camera has a triple camera setup with 108 MP main sensor, and this smartphone has 20 MP selfie camera. This smartphone comes with 5500 mAh battery with 33-volt fast charging. Operating system is Xiaomi HyperOS based on Android 14. Connectivity supported are 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C. Sensor supported are proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, accelerometer, electronic compass, IR blaster, and gyroscope. Here you can see the dimension of this smartphone. Weight is approximately 196.5 grams, and this smartphone has in-screen fingerprint sensor, AI face unlock, dual speakers with Dolby Atmos, 3.5 headphone jack, NFC, and IP54 rating for water and dust resistance. What are the advantages of this smartphone? First point is high quality display. The AMOLED screen with high brightness and refresh rate offers a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Second point is strong performance. This model provides reliable performance for daily tasks and moderate gaming. Third point is good camera setup. The rear and front cameras delivers sharp and detailed photos. Fourth point is long battery life. Large battery capacities ensure extended usage without frequent charging. Fifth point is additional features. Inclusion of NFC, IR blaster, and Dolby Atmos enhances the overall user experience. What are the limitations of this smartphone? First point is plastic back. The device has plastic back, which may not feel as premium as glass or metal. Second point is no 5G in 4G model. The 4G variant lacks 5G connectivity, which might be drawback for future proofing. Third point is limited water resistance. IP54 rating means it is only protected against splashes, not full submersion. What are the customers' positive feedback? First point is vibrant display. Users love the bright and colorful AMOLED screen. Second point is solid performance. Handles daily tasks and moderate gaming with ease. And also excellent battery life. Third point is impressive camera. Takes detailed photos, especially in good lighting. Overall, this smartphone considered a value for money device in its segment. Price of this smartphone ranges from 14,999 rupees to 20,999 rupees based on different RAM and storage configurations.